te whānau o Toy Time. Oh, it's time for one of my favourite sounds in the whole world. Whakarongo mai. It's the Toy Time trumpets. Hoa ke tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching Toy Time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy Time!
Kia ora te whānau. Welcome to Toy Time. Ko Maia tōku ingoa, and I'm in the garden doing my favourite thing, mahi mara, gardening.
Kia ora, ko Jojo aho, and I'm in the Mara doing my favourite thing, playing with trucks.
Oh, and that's our friend, Ricky. He's in the garden doing his favourite thing too, having a moi.
Kia ora.
How was your nap?
Good, except I had a bad dream. I dreamt that it was all gone.
What was gone?
The trees, the grass, the flowers, the fruit, the vegetables, the birds and the insects. Te taio, it was all gone.
Oh, that sounds scary. Are you okay?
I am now. Whew. I've never been so happy to see the trees and plants.
Well, there will always be trees and plants, Ricky, because we take care of them. We are kaitiaki o te whenua,
Kaitiaki? What's kaitiaki?
a guardian.
Oh, of the whenua?
The land.
Oh, guardians of the land. I like that. Hey, Mohio,
Kia ora, Ricky. How can I help you today?
why is it so important to look after the land?
We get everything we need from the whenua, Ricky. Food, clothes, shelter, even our medicines. If we're careful to look after the land, it will look after us too.
Kaitiaki o te whenua!
Kaitiaki o te whenua.
Knock, knock, who's there? It's me again. It's your kaitiaki friend. Don't forget to clean. Keep our whenua green. Let's start with the lakes and the rivers and the deep blue sea. Tangaroa said to me, no more being mean to me, no throwing rubbish in the sea. Knock, knock, who's there? Knock, knock, who's there? Knock, knock, who's there? It's me again. It's your kaitiaki friend. Don't forget to clean. Keep our whenua green. What about the forest and the plants? The animals, the birdies and the bugs. Let's all plant some seeds. Recycle, please. Tane Mahuta said to me, no more being mean to me, no leaving rubbish around me. Knock, knock, who's there? Knock, knock, who's there? Knock, knock, who's there? It's me again. It's your kaitiaki friend. Don't forget to clean. Keep our whenua green. It's me again. It's your kaitiaki friend. Don't forget to clean. Keep our whenua green. No more being mean to me. No more being mean to me.
E te iwi, tēnā koutou katoa, and welcome to the first ever Toy Time Taiao Awards. Trees, rako and tipu plants are very precious to us. Let's take a moment to honour them all, even the ones that can't be here today. Our first award is for the most useful tipu in Aotearoa, harakeke. Harakeke can be made into lots of beautiful things. Beautiful kete, puti flowers, whāriki, and even rongoā, medicine. Congratulations, harakeke, and thank you for being so useful. You rock.
Ngā mihi, Maya. Thank you. I'd like to thank Ranginui for the rain and Tamanui Te Rā for the warm sunshine.
Thank you, harakeke. Our next award is for the most beautiful rākau in Aotearoa, the kōwhai tree. Kōwhai are a rākau that fill our days with yellow flowers and the sound of tūi singing. Thank you, kōwhai, and congratulations. You rock.
Thank you, Maya. I would like to dedicate this award to my amazingly talented singing friend, the Tui. Everything I do is for you.
Ngā mihi kōwhai. And thank you too. Our last award of the day is for the most durable rākau in the forest. It gives me great pleasure to award this trophy to Tōtara. Tōtara is a rākau that is very durable, which makes it perfect for carving special taonga like marae and canoes. Kia ora, Tōtara. Thank you for all your hard work. You rock.
Kia ora, Maya. I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for the rākau who came before me and those still yet to come. Whatu ngaro te tangata toi tū te whenua. Tihei!
Mauri ora. Tēnā koe. Tēnā koe Tōtara. And that, e te whānau, concludes our award ceremony. See you again next time.
Oh, hey, my cousins. Oh, I'm at the tātahi anō, just enjoying a little snack. Oh, it's a beautiful day out here in the taiao. Hey, what's that? Rubbish. That's it. Pasaka's back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, we're cleaning up the whenua. Hoake tātou. Oh. Ooh, I found another little bit of rubbish.
You're coming with me.
Cleaning up the whenua.
Hey! I can see you, rubbish. You're coming with me too.
Yeah. It's really important to clean up your rubbish, whānau. We're kaitiaki. We gotta look after all of our atua. Katoa. Come on. Oh, found another piece, cuzzies. Oh, check that out, cuzzies. I filled up a whole bag full of rubbish. Oh, where? Well, I'm off on my next mission. Hey, tiaki te whenua. Ka kite anō. Is that a giraffe?
Koanga. Spring is in the air. Koanga. There are flowers everywhere. Koanga. It's my favorite time of year. Winter's gone and spring is here. Some say winter is their favorite season. time of year. Winter's gone and spring is here. Why do I like spring so much? I'll tell you. Baby lambs and daffodils are great. Honestly, I'd rather skip spring cleaning. But I love how spring brings food from garden to my plate. Koanga. Spring is in the air. Koanga. There are flowers everywhere. Koanga. It's my favorite time of year. Winter's gone and spring is here.
Poor Marie fire truck, you did a great job putting out those fires today. Ooh! Good night, Digger. Those holes you dug were awesome.
Oh, kia ora, Jojo. Hey, cool trucks. What has 4 wheels and flies?
What?
A rubbish truck.
A rubbish truck doesn't fly, Buzz.
No, but it has flies. Oh, you know.
Ah, nice to see ya. Are you here for tākoro time?
Aye, and we need your trucks.
Oh, I don't know, Buzz. They're a bit dirty from being out in the garden.
Ah, even better. Fight my Yahoo. Follow me. Ta-da! It's Takoro time truck wash.
Oh, Buzz, this is the best tākoro time ever.
Yes. Okay, you wash, I'll dry.
Got it.
All right, just like that. Cool.
Hey, Buzz,
Yeah.
what did the concrete mixer say to the pillow?
Oh, what?
Harden up.
Oh, solid.
Hey, Buzz,
Yeah?
what do rubbish trucks eat for dinner?
What?
Junk food.
Oh, junk food. Oh, what's bigger than a tow truck?
I don't know.
A foot truck.
A foot truck? I never heard of a foot truck. Ah, toe, foot. I get it.
Yeah.
Nice one, Buzz.
Oh, hey.
What do you call a sleeping bull?
I don't know.
A bulldozer.
Oh. Snore some joke, Jojo.
Thanks, Buzz. Last one. There.
Okay. Cool.
Now that they're all clean, you know what to do next, Buzz?
Oh, put them back in the playroom.
Nope, we play in the dirt and get them all dirty again, and then we have to wash them all over again.
Yeah!
Kia ora tamariki mā. I'm Auntie Anika, and today I'm going to show you my wāhi maurito, my sit spot, wāhi maurito. A sit spot is somewhere in nature where you can sit and have a quiet moment to yourself and relax. Woo! Each time you visit your sit spot, you can play a game of sit spot the difference. Like last time I was here, the leaves were parori, brown. And now the trees don't have any leaves at all. That's because they're all on the ground. Oh, ātāhua. I'm going to put this in my journal. The good thing about being outside is that you can be as quiet as you like or as silly as you like, and it doesn't matter. Caw-caw, caw-caw. See, the birds and the insects and the trees and the flowers don't care. They just like your company. We're all sharing the same world.
Reka.
Wolfie, aren't you forgetting something?
Oh, thank you for this yummy food, Oma.
Oh, you're welcome. Wolfie, hang on.
Oh.
Don't forget our karakia whokai.
Oh, of course, Oma. The food looks so yummy that I got excited and I forgot.
That's okay. Nau mai ngā hua I whakatipu anuku, I whakatipu arangi, hei oranga mō te tinana. Haumi e, hui e, tai ki e. Oh, ka pai, e kai. Namu namu a.
There's a creepy crawly on my hand. It is a spider. It loves to tickle me, but now it's waving goodbye. Please don't go. I enjoyed my time with you. You are my best friend. There's a creepy crawly on my hand. It is a bee. It loves to buzz, 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 but now it's waving goodbye. Please don't go. I enjoyed my time with you. You are my best friend. There's a creepy crawly on my hand. It's a cicada. It loves to sing to me, but now it's waving goodbye. Please don't go. I enjoyed my time with you. You are my best friend.
Hi! This is a beautiful day in Mockingbird Gardens. We pick flowers in the garden. We use leaves. It's a beach. Charlotte, do you want to use these plants? These are very good beach plants. Oh, yeah. All the gardens are lovely. We made a fairy wonderland, and it has some flowers, and then we have some vines on top of sticks. This is my fairy garden. If you were a tiny doll, you could walk along the pathway and look at the flowers. There's leaves, some rocks, and also more leaves in there. We wash our hands. Wow. And have a snack. There you go. Bye!
Kia ora tamariki mā, and welcome to What's in the Basket. I'm excited to share what I collected from the Marakai.
Oh, did I hear you say kai, Jojo? My puku is hungry.
Perfect timing, Tama. Do you want to guess what I collected from the garden today?
Aye, as long as we can eat them too.
Of course. That's what kai is for, Tama. Let's go. All right. Here is your first kai clue. I'm sweet, I can be mashed or baked, and I taste great in a hangi.
What is sweet, yummy, and tastes great in a hangi? Is it a kumara?
Ai! Kei te tika tau, Tama.
I love kumara, especially in a hangi.
Okay, the next kai grows in the whenua and is orange. You can eat it raw or cooked, and it tastes even better with hummus.
He karaka te tai, and it tastes good with hummus. I think I know this one, Jojo. Is it a karoti?
Ai, it's a carrot. See?
My puku is getting very excited right now.
Oh, hold your horses, Tama. There is still one more huarako to go. I am shiny and red with a green portai on my head. I grow on a plant and I love the warm sunshine.
It grows on a plant and is shiny and red. Is it a tomato, Jojo?
Ai, it's a tomato. Toa koe hoki e, Tama.
Reka, Jojo. Oh, I can't take it anymore. Can we please eat this kai? Kei te mate kai ahau. I am hungry.
Ka pai, Tama. Let's go.
Ooh, I love pie too.
Oh, not the pie you eat, Tama.
Oh.
Ka pai. It means well done. Let's go prepare some kai. Ka pai?
Ka pai.
Oh, kia ora, Buzz. What are you doing?
Kia ora, Riki. I'm pretending to be Buzz the Bee. I'm hunting for beautiful puti puti. Want to play?
Yeah, puti puti are my favourite.
Let's go!
Oh, hey, Buzz. Why do bees love buzzing around flowers so much?
Oh, I think they're trying to find flowers to give to their mum.
Oh, maybe. Well, I'm gonna ask Mohio.
Okay.
Hey, Mohio.
Kia ora, Riki. How can I help?
Why do bees love flowers?
Bees love flowers because the flowers give them nectar and pollen to feed their whānau.
Do flowers mind giving bees their nectar?
Bees help flowers by spreading their pollen around, which helps make more flowers.
Ah, so flowers help the bees and the bees help the flowers.
That's right.
Ah. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Thanks, Buzz. See, just like Buzz and I help each other too.
Yeah. Thanks, Riki.
You're welcome, Buzz. And thanks, Mohio.
Kei te pai, Riki. Anytime.
I remember the first time I saw it, and soon all that I saw had turned white. It was floating so slowly around me. It was such a beautiful sight. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. Makariri cold on my nose, snow is all around. I remember the first time I touched it. It was soft and so cold on my hand. Then I got down and made a snow angel, and our father made a snowman. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. Makariri cold on my nose, snow is all around. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. Makariri cold on my nose, snow is all around. I remember the first time it melted and the white on the ground disappeared. What a treat that it came here to visit. Maybe I can see snow next year. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. Makariri cold on my nose, snow is all around. Snow is falling down, snow settling on the ground. Makariri cold on my nose, snow is all around.
It was a quiet morning in the Toy Time Forest when Captain Riki came to rescue a poor, defenseless worm lost in the tree away from his whānau. Don't worry, Wormy, I gotcha. Oh, thanks, Captain Riki. You're my hero. Anytime, Wormy. Oh, there. Captain Riki, at your service, saving the whenua, one worm at a time.
Hi! We got a beehive in our backyard. Today the bee man is coming.
Want to help me today?
He's going to check on our beehive. He uses smoke to calm the bees. There's so many bees in there.
Who can spot the queen for me? She's a little bit darker, a little bit longer than the others.
Oh yeah, I see it. That one. I see it. Black. It's really good. She's really long. Black at the bottom.
Can you see the eggs like a rice cell? Like a rice?
Yeah.
And in a couple of days they will hatch and they'll become like, see?
They're tiny.
Yeah. There's a little tiny bee. She's about to hatch. Imagine it. Here, look. Can you spot it?
We see the drone bees. All the drones are boys. We see all the worker bees. They're all girl bees. We get to try some fresh honey. It's so good. Can you just try it? It's so
Yeah.
good. That sounds like really
Can I
good.
give a go? This bottom bit.
The bees are doing a great job.
Just to keep the hive cool. This is our lid.
Then it's time for a snack. Honey. Oh that honey is from the bees. Oh my gosh, Blair, that's a lot of honey. Because I love honey. Delicious. Good. Thank you, bees. We love your honey. Bye.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is the story about a special protective bracelet. In the heart of Kirikiriroa, Arya and Rohan were celebrating the special bond between siblings on Raksha Bandhan. Arya carefully selected a rakhi, a protective bracelet, to tie around Rohan's wrist. Happy Raksha Bandhan, Rohan, Arya beamed, tying the colourful thread. This thread is special. It's a symbol of my love, she explained. As they explored the local gully, a mischievous gust of wind tried to steal Rohan's hat. But the rakhi's magic helps Arya catch the hat and return it to Rohan's head. Wow, Arya, it's like the rakhi is protecting us, Rohan exclaimed. As they approached a bubbling stream, Arya nearly slipped. The rakhi glittered magically, so Rohan was able to catch Arya. With each challenge, the magical thread seemed to keep them safe and sound. As the sun began to set, they returned home. Arya smiled at Rohan. See, the rakhi is not just a bracelet. It's a promise to always be there for each other. I'll always be there for you, Arya, promised Rohan. What a great story. The end.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Yeah. Woo. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha.